Welcome to Pocket Trains. What the hell is this game? Well, I'll show you things. I've got 7 lines on this game, which is fun. This is a game where you build out railroads. Blah, 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 blah. It's a game where you build out railroads. Railway lines. Oh my goodness, how hard was that to say? My English very good. My English very. And then you build out to, and then you just build out from. You start with two lines, which was fun. Those are my lines right now. You start with just a Rome to Paris and a Milan to Berlin line, and then I extended out from there to the monstrosity this is. And you try and deliver freight. Yes, please. You try and deliver freight to different places around, not just Europe, but around the world. I haven't got any other licenses apart from Europe right now. Fun! Right, there's my 7 lines for it. What's my exchange rate today? That's the wrong one, but 398. 390! I've never got one that good. I have never ever got one that good. Oh, that was just fun, wasn't it? That was just absolutely incredibly fun. Whew, I probably need to calm down a little bit. It's not just that as well, that you have to maintain a whole different fleet of trains. Every train can break stuff, which means it can be like pretty much anything. You've got the shop there as well. Very nice. You've got the crafting menu, which is very vandalous indeed. Very vandalous indeed. So we've got, right, what do we go right? Those Copenhagen, those cars to Copenhagen, they are on my list. Go now. For each, this train can go 100 miles an hour. It really just looks like a class 47, or as I call it, the ooh train. Yes, the ooh train. The ooh train of ooiness. I just don't know. I just don't know anymore. What? I just don't know. I just don't know at the moment. Yeah, no, I don't want to do that. Goodness me. Oh, jeez. Why did I do that? I have no idea. Cookies to Bordeaux. No, cooking cars. Oh, there you go. At Bordeaux now. Right. So you can. So this is like how you select. Got all these cars in Milan. I've seen that before. I think you unlock more cars as the further you go along. Casino cars doing well. There's Copenhagen. The cars doing well. Cars I've never seen before. It's fun. I've definitely had that before. Got a lot of we got a lot of stuff with Bucks. Bucks thing with the green is the green thing with T on it. No, money's obviously the money symbol. It's obviously the coin symbol. There's no coins in this game. Alright, now you're off. You're going to Glasgow. Going to Glasgow. Going to Glasgow. But while I'm here, I'll show you the... Not that. I'll show you the licenses. You got 6 licenses. But each one is 50,000. I'm going to expand it to Asia next because I'm pretty much next to there. Which is fun. Right, now I'm at Glasgow. We've got Paris. Nice. Got all that Paris stuff. Nothing new. Nothing new. You're at Munich. Go to Istanbul, but you're gonna go to Budapest to pick more stuff up. Right. Okay. Oh. What's in the yard? Oh. Okay, go to Amsterdam then. I'm being spoiled. Well, not being. What the hell? What on earth? Okay, honestly, seriously, I don't know what the hell is going on. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening. But it's definitely not nice. Right. Yeah, so you get different daily events as well. So this daily event is world famous chef Cesar Megabyte is training new eyes for a restaurant opening in Moscow. I've only done one of those. I've done water to Budapest. I didn't quite make the London one, which was naughty of me. But that one's so right. Other trained different companies can do that. Still gonna do some, but you know. Oh dear, that was very bad. Oh dear. Right, just have a look at all this again. 7 lines. Munich's gonna be the first one in. So I'd better go to that one then. It's gonna be quite tight, depends how close it is with Milan. Depends how close it is, I don't exactly know, but I'm going to go Munich. 60 seconds left before it arrives. I don't even know what the hell this is. Where's your on the video? I don't even know what the hell this is, so you know, excuse me on this one. I don't even know. You can see everything that I've actually been able to do, so look at the amount of miles I've covered. It's amazing. Yes, these are my awards. Oh, Tiny Tycoon, Train Empire. Oh, I can do that with just one more railroad, actually. That would be interesting. I'm thinking of doing it St. Petersburg to Volgograd. 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 I don't know. That's what I want anyway. Train arrived, Munich. Right, Milan. Oh, more Milan stuff, really. I guess I'm gonna have to say it again. No, right. Yes, this Amsterdam has to go. Milan. There we go. There we go. It's going fast now. Amsterdam, next one in. I wonder what you're doing, mate. Come on, hurry up. Let's see different things. Mallard. I want the mallard. But it would be quite good as well. Which is faster. But I want it. I want the mallard. I want it so bad. It's really limited. Because not a lot of girls. And the money special. Great ideas, really. I need to get more things. Right, Promised Milan. Do I want to say those gold? Do I want to get those Berlin red freight? Oh, I don't know. Say the Berlin ones. Take the Berlin one. Alright, this thing. I won't be able to do it. No, I want that. Oh, I don't want that off to expire as well. I really don't. I don't want any of these offers to go. I'm being spoiled today, seriously. Istanbul. You can all go with your weird consist. Right, Amsterdam. The slowest train of the fleet. I really need to replace that. I really do need to replace that. Go Express, nice. They've got the Global Express and the Metro Express as well. It's the National Express. I've got the National Express. There's another one there. I think there's like Regional Express and I think there's Intercity Express as well. I'm not sure. I don't exactly know. Alright. Okay, I'm still on the move. Okay, click the things on the top of the screen that are floating because then you get extra stuff. Sometimes you get bugs, and sometimes you get train crates. They're very rare though. I've only got one once from a train. Usually I just earn them. Yeah, look at this. Look at all this they do. And you can tell this is a pocket game because everything's so flipping quick and everything's so flipping small. But hey, and it doesn't take like 5 minutes, and just, well, 5 minutes. It doesn't take like 2-3 minutes to get from London to Paris. Although it probably would. It probably would if you were going by the Japanese maglev. Probably would. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next part. Goodbye.